As you have seen, Excel can be a very powerful spreadsheet program. However, I would like to talk to you briefly with a small demonstration about absolute cell referencing. Hopefully this demonstration will give you a better understanding as to the difference between relative and absolute cell referencing. As you have worked through or just beginning to work through your Excel exercises, you may have already used or soon will encounter the fill handle. It's a little black square located in the lower right corner of a selected cell. The fill handle is a wonderful tool that allows you to copy formulas, functions, as well as a determined series. For example, months. Days of the week. And even series that you may make up. If you were dragging the fill handle to copy a formula or function, the fill handle copies, updates, and changes the formula or function relative to the direction you are dragging. Thus the term relative cell reference. An absolute cell reference is quite different. In this example, I'll show you what happens. First, let's create a series using the fill handle. In this example, I'm going to create a series of numbers that increase by 2. I'll start off with 2, then 4, highlight both, then grabbing the fill handle, you'll notice that the numbers increase. I'll pull this all the way to about 50. This saves an inordinate amount of time by eliminating you having to manually enter the numbers into your spreadsheet. Next, I'll create a formula that will multiply this number by any given number. In my example, the number 2, and I'll place this in an adjacent cell. So in cell A1, I'll place the number 2, and in cell C2, create the formula. First, I'll enter an equal sign, then I'm going to multiply B2 times the contents of cell A1. I hit the enter or return key and I get the product 4, which as you would assume would be correct. Now I'm going to use the fill handle to simply copy the formulas, and by dragging relative direction downward, you'll see that indeed I've encountered an error. In the next video, I'll show you why this error occurred and how we can correct it using absolute cell referencing.